like stuck his car out in my face. Like, move along.
So here we are.
Oh, are you?
Black Friday.
Oh God. I don't want to do this.
This year is Black Friday.
We're not even participating in Black Friday.
Smoking, hold it. Cause I really can't focus. I gotta get it home with a popo smoke. This big old swerve. All up in the curb, man. Been sipping on the Hennessy, singing the gin again, the scene again. We in the wind, doing another puff on the blunt. Roll another one up. We living like we.
I'm so sorry.
You're not sorry. You're like pretending you're sorry just in case someone's seeing this that wants to think you don't do shit like this. I still look like a chubby baby at this angle. I really don't like it. I really don't like it.
Been brought up on charges for none of y'all. Keep it go in a practice bar. But if you want the poppin' dog, ready or not, been in the air cause it bone.
And who's the child here?
I don't know. I can't find her. What is this? Just like, these people drive me insane.
So this is the day after Thanksgiving. This is Black Friday.
It is. It's
And
Black
this
Friday.
is my lovely daughter, Ryan. Ryan spelled R-I-A-N-N. Not R-Y-A-N, not R-I-A-N-N-N-N-N.
He's the best one you can
Or
think of.
Rihanna or any of that. Yeah, Ryan. When you researched that, how many people did it say in the whole country were named Ryan?
I don't know. I've met a few.
There's been a
No.
few.
I had a customer at the restaurant whose daughter's named Ryan.
R-I-A-N-N?
I mean, they were Asian. Yeah.
R-I-A-N-N?
Yes.
Wow. Who knew?
Well, there's a few of them. They're always really surprised. Oh, I met one at the a Wedge and Fig once, and she made me take a picture with her. That was
Really?
the first Ryan she'd ever met.
Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
Where was she from?
I think somewhere in New Jersey.
Wow.
She was visiting Philly, but they were close to home.
Oh, who knew?
Not me.
So anyway, where are we going now? We're going to go to a party to
Starbucks.
store.
Oh, and then
We're going to go to a party store, then Starbucks, because we're going to get what? Body paint?
yes.
And we're going to do some fun stuff with body paint.
Sounds fucking.
We are going to,
stuff with body paints.
because that is how we roll.
Not how we roll.
That's how we roll.
It's not even a song anymore.
It's not a song anymore. So that's me. Raising the roof.
Oh, are you doing it? Did you do it?
I did.
I'm not
I don't even know about raising the roof. See, this
I
is
look
how,
like a chubby baby. I hate this.
Okay, and so peace out from Denise and the chubby baby.
Bye.
Bye.
Chubby baby says bye.